In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook. You cannot perform this modification at the moment, 5 minutes. If you're seeing that message when trying to change something on Facebook, it's often caused by outdated or conflicting browser data. Clearing the right items in your browser is a quick, safe way to refresh your session and remove the glitch without touching your files or personal documents. Start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Any modern browser will work. Once it's open, look for the menu button, usually shown as a three-dot icon near the top right corner of the window. This opens your browser's main menu where you can access the tools we need. From the menu, go into Settings. This section controls how your browser stores information and how it handles privacy and security. If your browser has a search box at the top of Settings, that's helpful, but you can also navigate manually. Inside Settings, find the area labeled Privacy and Security. This is where your browsing data, permissions, and site storage are managed. The fix we're using targets the storage that websites, including Facebook, keep on your device to remember your session. Open the option to delete browsing data. Don't worry, this is not removing your files or bookmarks, you're just clearing temporary web data that can sometimes get corrupted and trigger errors like the one you're seeing on Facebook. When the list of items appears, select cookies and other site data. Cookies store your login state and site preferences. If they become stale or mismatched, Facebook can block certain actions and show that you cannot perform this modification at the moment message. By selecting cookies and other site data, you're telling the browser to clear that old information so Facebook can create fresh, valid data. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. This is normal and expected. After selecting cookies and other site data, confirm by clicking delete data. The process might take a few seconds, let it finish fully before closing the dialog. Once done, your browser is essentially starting fresh with websites, which removes the lingering conflicts that often cause Facebook modification errors. That's it. This quick cleanup resolves the majority of cases where browser-side issues prevent changes on Facebook. If the message persists, it could be temporary on Facebook's end or related to account-specific restrictions, but clearing cookies is the fastest, most reliable first step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to making your changes smoothly.